Today was just like yesterday. But today I wasn't woken by taunting noise. Today I saw that the birds were yellow. Today I wasn't blinded by morning's cruel greeting. Today I was kissed by the warmth of a summer day. Today fate wasn't cursing all my luck. Today I danced like in the movies. Today I didn't wait out the buzzing tones. Today I heard my sister's voice.
Mr. Teddy misses you. He wants to know when you will come home.
Today the pain wasn't telling me to jump. Today I wanted to make a different choice, but I couldn't. Because today never happened. And I can't just go back. Now I will never know that the birds were yellow.